In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Havit smartwatch to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Havit smartwatch you have, you will be able to connect it to a phone, either Android or iOS. You will be able to set it up and configure it through the application. So you will need to download a specific app to get it to work. This is going to be Havit Fit or Have Fit. So all that you have to do is open the Play Store if you are using an Android device and look for Have Fit, or Have Fit on the App Store if you are on iOS. This is what the application looks like, and it is going to be under the title Have Fit. Once you have downloaded this application, you will be able to connect and set up your smartwatch. So at the home screen, you will see the date, but most importantly, the option to connect a smartwatch. Add smartwatch to get more health information. So you can tap on this button here, or you can use the navigation bar at the bottom, and you will also be able to go into the devices option. Now at the top, you will see once again, add a device. By tapping this, you will see a list of all of the Havit smartwatch models that you can connect, but usually by having your smartwatch in close proximity of the app, it should automatically prompt a connection request. So as long as you have your device and it is powered on in close proximity of your phone, this should be enough to get it to work. So as you can see here, there will be a list and you can manually select your model or be in close proximity with the device powered on. You can check the manual or the box for your particular smartwatch if you don't know the name of the model, and then once it is connected, it will appear at the top. So you will see information like the battery level, how the connection is, and of course, most importantly, the options to set up your watch. So you will have watch faces, you can control the notifications, set up alarms, shutter, and other options. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.